Hey quiz lovers! Welcome back to the Quizzical Galaxy channel. In today's video, we're playing the 2 gift box challenge, pink versus yellow edition. Can you guess which box you'll pick before the reveal? Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Quizzical Galaxy for more fun challenges and exciting videos every day. Let's begin! Choose your Christmas bedroom. Which bedroom feels like your perfect Christmas wonderland? Choose your Christmas dresser. Pick the dresser that matches your holiday spirit. Choose your Christmas gaming controller. Gamers, which controller would you love to play with during the holidays? Choose your Christmas nails. Which festive nail color shows off your Christmas style? Choose your Christmas surprise gift. It's surprise time. Pick a gift and reveal your Christmas surprise. Choose your Christmas challenge. Now you have to complete this challenge. Choose your Christmas gaming room. Which holiday-themed gaming setup feels like home to you? Choose your Christmas car. Which dream car would you pick for a festive ride? Choose your Christmas cat. Cute, fluffy, and playful. Which holiday kitty would you adopt? Choose your Christmas calculator. Which one would you keep on your desk for holiday planning? Choose your Christmas phone. Which phone would you love to own this festive season? Choose your Christmas earbuds. Which earbuds would you jam to holiday tunes with? Choose your Christmas jacket. Which cozy, festive jacket are you rocking? Choose your Christmas cake. Which holiday cake makes your mouth water? Choose your Christmas kitchen. Which kitchen would you love to cook Christmas treats in? Choose your Christmas bathroom. Spa vibes or sleep vibes? Which one feels perfect for the holidays? Choose your Christmas sunglasses. Which pair would you wear out during winter festivities? Choose your Christmas shoes. Which color and style of festive shoes are you going for? Choose your Christmas house. Which dream Christmas house would you love to live in? Choose your Christmas office room. Which office setup inspires you most during the holidays?
Choose your Christmas living area, cozy or modern. Which living room feels perfect for Christmas? Choose your Christmas breakfast. Which festive breakfast plate would you enjoy the most? Choose your Christmas vacation place. Where's your dream holiday destination? Choose your Christmas swimming pool. Which pool would you love to dive into this winter? Choose your Christmas handbag. Which stylish holiday handbag matches your vibe? Choose your Christmas hairstyle. Which hairstyle would you love to try for the holidays? Choose your Christmas crown. Royal vibes. Which crown would you wear proudly this season? Choose your Christmas school bag. Which bag would you carry to school or college during the holidays? Choose your Christmas wardrobe. Time to style up. Which wardrobe is yours for the festive season? Choose your Christmas skates. Which skates would you glide on this winter? Choose your Christmas water bottle. Stay hydrated. Which bottle are you choosing for the holidays? Choose your Christmas motorbike. Which festive motorbike would you take for a ride? Choose your Christmas earrings. Which earrings sparkle the most for your holiday look? Choose your Christmas lamp. Which lamp would brighten your room perfectly for the holidays? Choose your Christmas socks. Fun, cozy, or colorful. Which socks are yours this season? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Mystery Challenge.